You need to dig deeper into search engine optimization to get your site's content out there and get all the traffic it's capable of. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's look at 4 often overlooked techniques step by step. Tip 1. Make sure your pages are indexed. A page needs to be in Google's index to appear in its results. The index is like a gigantic database of all the web pages in the world. How do you find out whether Google has indexed your page? You can check for individual URLs through the cache method or your overall site with Google's Search Console option. Tip 2. Improve your click-through rate. If your page looks uninviting in search results, most people will scroll down and click on a more compelling page. But if your title tag and meta description are enticing, they'll click on yours. Your meta description tag should summarize your piece and engage the searcher to click and read more. Don't default to the first sentence of your content. Tip 3. Reduce your clickback rate. Just as you want to increase the number of people who like the look of your page enough to click on the link, you also want to reduce the number who click back to return to the search results. A high rate signals to Google that the searcher's needs weren't met when viewing your content. To reduce your clickback rate and to improve your dwell time, make sure your page satisfies the searcher's intent and delivers on the promise your title and meta description make. Tip 4. Add more internal links to your page. Getting backlinks to your site from a third party is a great SEO move, but what about internal links? Visitors click on these internal links to see other related content on your site. The linking words in the text help Google better understand what your pages are about. If you frequently link to a particular page, Google will see the page as an important one, perhaps a pillar content page. For more information, visit www.iidm.world.